Assalamu alaikum, this is Alomory, and for today's assignment 2, we are going to dive into segmentation of coral reef. My metric number is 63955 with my friend Arun Mugilan with metric number is 63746. Without further ado, let's start with the introduction. We all know that beneath the ocean surface lies captivating ecosystem known as coral reef. Coral reef are vibrant underwater realms that are home for a diverse range of marine life and play a crucial role for many species. To better understand and protect this fragile ecosystem, scientists have developed a powerful tool called coral reef segmentation. Coral reef segmentation involves dividing the complex structure of reefs into distinct components using advanced imaging and computer algorithms. This process allows researchers to extract variable information and analyze the health, structure, and changes in coral reef ecosystem. By classifying different elements like coral, algae, and sand, scientists can monitor factors such as color cover and species distribution. Segmentation algorithms utilize machine learning to identify and classify objects in reef imagery. This approach is cost effective and time efficient compared to manual analysis methods. The information obtained through segmentation support conservation and management effort by guiding targeted interventions in areas experience issues like coral bleaching or invasive species. Okay, for the lecturer review, we have some point here. First of all, segmentation method. It is used convolutional network and support vector regression for accurate mapping of coral reef component. It shows potential for high resolution reef habitat mapping. The second point is machine learning. Automated segmentation and classification of coral reef survey images using machine learning and crowdsourced annotations, demonstrating feasibility for large-scale reef monitoring. The third one is employ deep neural network to segment and identify coral reef fish species from underwater video. It highlights the potential of deep learning for automated reef fish segmentation, aiding ecological research and conservation. The fourth point is remote sensing technique. Remote sensing technique, including segmentation for coral reef monitoring and management, emphasizes the variable information remote sensing provides for effective conservation and management. The last point is deep learning. Using deep learning in coral reef image analysis, we can explore various architecture and application in segmentation, classification, and monitoring, offering insight into the latest techniques. For the research methodology, we have 5 steps here. Image preprocessing. It includes enhanced image quality through preprocessing techniques such as grayscale conversion, contrast adjustment, noise reduction. The second point is coral reef and sand segmentation. We can use the image we got from the preprocessing and segment the techniques to distinguish coral reef regions from sand areas. Also, we can analyze image properties such as color, texture, shape to accurately delineated coral reef structure. The third point is post-segmentation refinement. We are now making refinement. We can apply further processing steps for refined segmented regions. And we can also remove the noise. We can smooth the boundaries and fill gaps for more precise representations. The fourth point is quantitative analysis. We can extract meaningful information for segmented regions. We can also measure the area, the shape, density, and spatial distribution of coral reef structure. We can also evaluate quantitative characteristics of sand areas, such as like the coverage, proximity to coral reefs. The last point is visualization and interpretation. Visualize segmented results for better understanding. Overlay segmented regions into original image or generated visual representation, and it is also aid in effective communication, subsequent analysis, and decision making. Like we will see in the next slide together how we separated the sand with red color and the coral reef with blue color. Let's see it in the next slide.
Hi sir, I am Arun Mugilan Sargunan and I'm here to explain about the result and discussion branching part of our project. As you can see, there are three pictures in this slide. The red part of the slide covers the coral part of the picture. Meanwhile, the blue part of the slide covers the sand part of the picture. For the picture 4.1, the area of branching coral reef is 349,810 pixels. The area of the sand is 56,860 pixels. For the picture 4.2, the area of coral reef is 425,683 pixels and the area of sand is 397,005 pixels. As for the picture 4.3, the area of branching coral reef is 460,123 pixels. And for the area of sand is 533,126 pixels. Furthermore, for the result and discussion branching, the code overview of our project is the first one will be the read and convert image, which is whether picture 1, picture 2 or picture 3, or commonly we'll say as x.jpg to grayscale. And the second one, apply the image enhancement technique, for example contrast adjustment. The third one will be calculate the threshold value using Otsu's method. The fourth one will be create binary mask for coral reef and sand region using threshold. The fifth one will be refine mask using morphological operation, which is opening to remove noise. The sixth one, calculate the area of coverage for branching for the coral reef named as Poecilophora damircornis and sand regions. And seventh one will be visualize segmented mask with boundaries overlaid on the original image. And the last one will be print the images of the coral reef and the sand as an output. As for the conclusion of our project, we are here to talk about the significance of coral reef segmentation methodology. The coral reef segmentation methodology are essential for marine ecology and conservation research. And also it is important to provide a systematic approach for accurate segmentation. It also involves image pre-processing, segmentation, techniques, refinement, quantitative analysis and visualization. This also enables understanding of coral reef dynamics and supports conservation efforts. It also extracts meaningful information and facilitates effective communication of results. And then finally, it contributes to a better understanding of coral reefs and aids in their conservation. Thank you.